Azzaky, showing you all the Toy Story set. I mean the Angry Bird. Sorry. And here's the Angry Birds. So I still can say like this. Here's the name Angry Birds. Here's Yellow Bird. So yeah. And here's Red Bird. It's over here. Looks like he's opening his mouth. Got a little hole over here. And I'm gonna show you the egg. I don't know why they make it yellow, so they just put it yellow. Here's the last one, Robot Bird. He looks the same shape like Ice Bird, but he looks like this. He looks like a square piece from Angry Birds piece, but he looks like a robot, but he's made of but he's wooden one. He's a wooden robot. I'm gonna show you the set over here. Here's Robot Bird. He looks the same at the back. I'm gonna show you Red Bird. I'm gonna show you Red Bird now. Looks very detailed. And look at the back. And yeah, I'm gonna show you the egg. It looks the same like the prize egg, but it looks different. This egg is different. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I hope you subscribe up there. So bye.